How to add keyframe in your CapCut PC. Hey everybody, if you guys are wanting to do that, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, head over to CapCut PC and you may just go and drag and drop your video in the timeline. I already have one. You may just go and import the video, place it here and drag and drop it. Now once you place the video, or in order to add keyframes, you may just go and play the video and reach over to the certain part in which you would like to add up a keyframe. So let me just go and pause it. You may select up the video for that. And once you do that, you should be finding this section. So let me just go ahead and put one keyframe in the section. So look out for the scale option from your right hand side. Look out for keyframe option. Click on add keyframe and one keyframe has been added. Now what you may do is you may just go ahead and play the video again like this. And once you play the video, let me place it another keyframe here. So let me just go and place it another and again play the video. And once you've done that, you may just go ahead and pause it and let me just go ahead and put another keyframe. So right now you can see I already have added 3 keyframes. So I'm gonna make a zoom in and zoom out using keyframes. So what I'm gonna do is head over and place this part and I'm gonna select the middle keyframe and I'm just gonna look out the scale option and zoom this part. Now that is done, click on OK. And when you head over and play the video from the beginning, you can see the keyframe effect has been added. So you can see the video has been zoomed in and again it is being zoomed out. And there you go. So you may also follow up the same process if you would like to add keyframe on your CapCut PC as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.